Hi, very good to see you. On today's class, we will be discussing about how to find out the largest and smallest fraction among a group of fraction. And in this type of question itself, I can have two types of problems, one involving same denominators, the other involving different denominators. So the first one, the same denominators, and in this one, we will be comparing only the numerators. For example, let's say I'm having the fraction like this, 2 by 7 and 8 by 7. In this one, I would be comparing the numerators, that is the 2 and 8, and I know that 8 is much more larger than 2, so that means 8 by 7 is nothing but the largest fraction comparing with 2 by 7. That's all about how to find out the largest or smallest when I'm having same denominators. Now we are having fractions involving different denominators. For that, let's consider an example. Let's say I'm having the fraction 3 by 5 and 4 by 9. And on this one, you only have to cross multiply. Cross multiply means like this, the 9 times 7 and then 5 times 4. And what is 9 times 3? 9 times 3 is 27, and what is 5 times 4? 5 times 4 equal to 20. Now which one is larger, 27 or 20? 27 is larger, that means 3 by 5 is a larger fraction compared with 4 by 9. Now what happens if I'm having more than two fractions, or let's say they're asking us to arrange a group of fraction in some order, ascending or descending, and that is what we are going to see now. Let's consider the fractions 2 by 3, 1 by 6, 2 by 4 and 3 by 2, and let's say I need to arrange these fractions in ascending order itself. And the first thing you have to do here is nothing but find the LCM of all the denominators. LCM means lowest common multiple. That means the lowest multiple that is happening in the multiplication table of all these numbers. And what would be the LCM of the denominators here? It would be 12 exactly. That means I need to convert all these denominators into 12. Now the first one, 2 by 3. And with what number do I have to multiply the denominator to make it 12? Exactly, I need to multiply it with 4. And to find out the equivalent fraction, I have to do the exact same with the numerator as well. And that will give me what? That will give me 8 over 12. Now next one, 1 by 6. So here I have to multiply it with 2. So multiplying the numerator also with 2, I'm getting 2 by 12. Now next one, 2 by 4. 2 by 4, and on the denominator I have to multiply it with exactly 3. So times 3, that will give me 6 over 12. Now last one, 3 by 2 itself, I need to multiply it with exactly 6. 6 times 6 gives me 18 over 12. So now I'm having all the fractions denominators are same. Now I just have to compare the numerators. So when I compare which one is largest or which one is the smallest one, it would be 2 by 12. That means 1 by 6 is the smallest one, right? So I can write the 1 by 6 here, less than. And the next one would be what? After 2, I'm going to have 6 there, and that is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 less than, and then after that I'm having 8 by 12, that is 2 by 3 itself. 2 by 3 less than, and the last one is 18 by 12, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, and thus I have arranged them in ascending order. I hope this idea is clear. On the next video, we will be discussing about the multiplication and division of fractions. See you there. Take care. Bye.